Some G's them right about now, you don't know, yo, me just come sit down right there, so. And his son decide to forward out when me ready for video. But me now complain because me need my vitamins, son. Alright, so right now me just say your blessings and respect to everybody who forward back and support yet a next vlog. Me know now cuss me from with you now say yo, me not vlog enough. Now me gonna try my best to definitely change that because I know some me I wanna live. 100% I know some me I wanna live, so. Pandora's element, keeping this here, you know what I mean? Make sure you did it. April, if you're there in Florida, the location are gonna be announced soon. So forward out and the whole team are gonna do it, of course. So forward out and come have fun with it. You see like how we have the grass here. Me want to put in the aquarium. And that's why me have a spider. I want to take out this. That you don't know in a spider cage you just dry. Nothing no did it. But I want to put like a life to it. So we plant some pepper tree now, so pepper tree then dead now, bush are growing it. So we want to do I take out them here and plant it in the cage and give it some life and see if it would have grow or how it would have look. I'm gonna try that right now. I'm seeing web up this, huh? I'm going big on the whole place. Oh, I'm sorry if you drop dirt on your G. I may get a different look warm right now. Alright, so I'm up underneath there, so this I want me do instead. The flower spot, if you look at so when you still see piece of flower spot, I just dig up a whole of it and drop the whole flower spot in it, so now it can just grow and overflow. Give some more water, spray up this so this can catch and flourish. And it's supposed to great now. Lovely new place. Water my plants, you know. I wait up in here so sometime, you know, to just mimic rainfall so you can think of rainfall. I have to give me best about work. I remember if you live out a door, rain than a fall, see me, you know. So more I just want him feel like in out a door. Just fall rain for him in here. You know them I catch by your morning, man. No, I'm praying I want to up on another door. Stop all them places there. Pulling ball when me done. Yeah, man, in here go look nice. Nobody out there now for them mask. No mask. The mother no mask. The woman is no mask. Dog, no man. You see beach, I want to show the beach. Hold on, the beach up over, right? See beach out there, so do this up. If you show me one mask, me go $1 for every mask you find. Right now, nice. Me know my bun up. Chabas, me know they hot right now.
66 degrees, bro.
We there opening up some bush. Yeah. Yo, don't build that. Bill, my yo.
Yo, it's so late.
No, you have to watch out for your alligator, though, you know.
Y'all do your thing, bro. Yo, give me the key.
Yo, you're mad figure so far still, you know.
Bro.
So, oh, you open door. Can't see people out on the late, eh? Look how beautiful this is. You remember one time when me and Daniel forward over here, son, we did?
You said we can fish.
You not go fishing over here?
Yeah, what kind of fish?
We are not forget so far now. We reach
The aerial gardens. Plant that grow on trees and other objects are called. Come here.
You must know that you go college.
Probably.
Up here look different though. Me like how what you look. You see what this brother here want to see? Yes, snake. Out of everything he want to see snake.
No one I want to see a lion. How about that? Or a gorilla.
Yo, me not like see them type of tree, you know. The type of tree that's good. Or next people they make.
Wait, see me.
We find seat and we there rest.
Fine.
A nice one take picture.
Fine,
They are. Can't drop. Go play again. We'll drop our first loose. Yes, this day over water. Me flick off in here right now. Oh, we can jump down from here and go down there, you know. You know how to go down there? You know how to go down there? We can go down there. Look, look. If we jump down here and go down there, so. It's a monkey, that dog. Dog, I no trail this for walk.
Yeah, this is like a cemetery.
Yo, then say we know if we go this side, you know. Guess whose idea it was, guys, to go this side?
You.
And for me? Cause they say your son not there, a part of the park. So whatever happened to you over here, so. Happen at your own risk. Think I tell this, I tell you, so we know if we go no more. If sign did it, we can't go here, man. Somebody must come put a sign there.
Because it's spider or some deadly spider out now.
Some deadly spider out. No, you know that.
You know if it's something drop on you?
Yeah, if this toucher is scratched, that's why they wrap you up when you have. See? All of them stay so. Oh, we have long sleeve on, no good. We buck up on the butterfly garden now. We don't know if it open or how you so go. Or if we even not go right here. But now it seems like him been here before. So no. Oh, this is garden.
No butterflies out here.
People else back with them.
People, yo,
Come
come on. And this is garden, but no butterfly in there.
How will you that?
Because we're not supposed to be in a garden, we're supposed to be up here, so look on them down here, so. Oh. Jesus Christ, hurry up. So we find one a poisonous spider them. How in the nice? I don't think he must show it right, he must show now, see me right there, so. I probably have to turn on the brightness so I can see me right there, so. See him? If he bite you, you get where the duck get. Look over this, so man. Okay. Crocodile definitely know this, you know. Nobody now tell me nothing. So we reach down in the little tunnel area right now. Yo, you know how long we are walk and we are cut and go through. Me not trust nowhere down here. Look how the parts still. Me not like nothing about around here, so. What we are doing, so. Them a plan something, you know. I feel like them a plan for run left me. Find back civilization, thank God. Nice, so you say? You're tired? We'll find back way out. Oh, very so nice. Me, I forgot him away in there. Weird on some. Look here. Yeah, we can kick leather out here, so dog. You set it up one day. Link meds and the whole time man can kick leather out here, so.
Well, I did before the click off. Remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any BWG's merch, any color. We have everything for the ladies. Then, you know what I mean? We have full case, we have everything. We have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, BWG. Blessings and respect. Hope it came up.